Okay guys, today I'm getting my transmission solenoid for shift gears 1, 2, and 3 put in. I've already went and purchased it. And okay guys, today I'm getting my transmission solenoid for shift gears 1, 2, and 3 put on my van. So hopefully I'll have better shifting and better response, so I can get ready and get prepared to haul this trailer. I've got a pretty good, decent mechanic that's doing it for a pretty decent price, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Always doing work on the van. It's raining here, so anyway, hopefully we'll get this done in a jiffy. We had to come into Rose's to get some charger ports. Oh, that's the
What, changes?
I think that it retracts, kind of like pulls out.
Okay.
So, excuse us. And,
No, it's got different ones.
okay.
You can put on there for whatever your phone is.
Okay, well, we don't need different ones.
No.
So we're just checking out some variable charger wires so we can
Only one I see,
charge our
that
phone.
one died on us quick when we got that one last time like that. Remember?
Hey guys, let me tell you this. Here today, we are blessed to have YouTube and such great people on here that do the do-it-yourself tutorials and teach you and show you how to do things and let you know of different things that you can do with your vehicles and with other projects. And let me tell you, when I was in Lexington, Nebraska and had the transmission done, the mechanic was trying to tell me I needed $3,000 for a new transmission and yada yada yada, and nothing was wrong with my control arms and things like that. You know, they were going for the bigger money. And it turns out that a YouTube video is what saved me hundreds and even thousands of dollars by just getting a transmission solenoid and the filter changed. Now my van is running top notch, no jerks, no hesitation. And you know, it's ridiculous that, you know, some mechanic shops will try to get over on you like that. And now I took my van into an alignment shop, Ken Toweries, and they told me I needed U-bolts. And I asked them how much it was going to cost for that repair, and they wanted $1,600 for the repair. And I just called O'Reilly Auto Parts, and you know, for the bolts and the straps and everything are just $21. So is it really $1,575 to repair for maybe a 30-minute job? Leave your comments down below and tell me about some of your experiences with mechanics. And you have a lot of great mechanics out there, a lot of honest ones. But you also have some that are just plain out for money and out to get you. They think that you don't know anything about it. Until the next time, we love you.